Good morning, students. I've been noticing some children are having a little difficulty with this week's Fundations. So I'm going to go over some of it with you now, okay? On one of the Fundations pages, you need to sort some words. O as in moon, which is the oo sound, and O as in book, the sound. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Moon as in oo, and O as in book, Okay, so the first word I'm going to add to the O as in moon is the oo sound, is soon. Let me just make this a little bigger for us. So you can see it a little bit better. Okay, perfect. Soon has the oo sound in it. The next word is noon. It has the oo sound in it. Okay. Hoop has the oo in it. Next word, bloom. Bloom has the oo sound in it. And drool. These are all the words from your Fundations page today. Let's go to the other side now. O as in book. So that's the sound. Okay, so for we have foot. Foot. Just going to go ahead and make this bigger again. Thought I did that already. Okay, perfect. F, that's the sound. H, k, hook. That's the sound. Wood, wood. T, k, took. Brook, brook. All right, so that's what the sort would look like for your first assignment, okay? It's the oo as in moon, or it's as in book. Another tricky sound we're working on is UE. UE makes two sounds. The first sound UE makes is like the long U sound, U. The other sound UE makes is like ooh. All right, so let's go over some words that would go in each side here, okay? For UE as in long U, it sounds like a U. So the first word is rescue. Rescue. Next word is similar. U, Q. Next, R, G, U, argue. Next word, continue, continue. And last, value, value. Notice all of these are at the end of the word. Okay, let's move on to UE as in ooh. Okay, first example I have is blue, blue. Next example, glue, glue. True. Do. And overdue. Okay, so I hope this helped a little bit. Again, the UE is super tricky, and so is the OO sound that we did before. Try your best, boys and girls. Have a good day.